just one cigarette, and watch the chain reaction it triggers inside your body.
The moment you inhale, toxic chemicals rush into your system.
In the lungs, smoke damages delicate air sacs, reducing oxygen intake. Toxins enter the bloodstream, lowering oxygen delivery throughout the body.
The heart works harder as blood vessels constrict and pressure rises. Nicotine hijacks brain chemistry, creating addiction and reducing focus over time. The liver struggles to filter the constant flood of harmful chemicals.
The immune system weakens, making infections harder to fight.
This is the hidden domino effect of smoking inside your body.